I am W.T.Bigbee, Vice President of Operations at Encore and the WAI President for 2019. I am pleased to tell you about WAI's plans for Interwire, which include a newly designed conference with the Next Generation theme. The conference blends key topics that will drive the ferrous and non-ferrous sector forward. At Interwire, you will hear and see what manufacturers around the world are doing about the next generation of making wire and cable. In fact, when you register for Interwire Conference, you will hear firsthand from Prysmian North America. You will be invited to the keynote session detailing the future of the wire and cable industry. And don't worry, you will have ample time to explore the full exhibit floor with over 400 solution providers. For everything Interwire, including the full Interwire Conference program, please visit interwire19.com and register today. Thank you.